Welcome back to the TIIM tutorial video series. In this video, we will show you how to create a camera image item for your experiment, how the participant can view the camera image item, how the participant can fill in the responses for a camera image item, and how to view and download your data metrics. A camera image item enables the participants to take or upload a picture from their phone gallery as a response. Let's go over an example. We're going to focus on the modules and items level. Start by opening your study. Click on Modules. Open your module and then go to Content Items. On the Add Module Item row, click on Camera Image. Enter your question and optional description. If you prefer, you can add an image or a video. But it's not necessary. Then, press Save. Your camera image item is now saved in your module. When the participant has subscribed to the study and downloaded the TIIM application on their phone, they will be able to open the assigned intervention with its modules and items. A camera image item will enable the participant to take a photo or upload a photo from their phone gallery. If the participant decides to take a photo using their phone, they should click on Take Photo. Then, they can take a photo using their phone camera. If the participant decides to upload a photo using their phone, they should click on Upload Photo. Then, they can choose a photo on their phone gallery. Also, the participant can choose to retake a photo or re-upload a photo. Once the participant has finished the module, you will be able to see and download the responses, also known as the data metrics. Go to the metrics page. Here you will see an overview of the data of all the participants in your study. To filter your participants by either intervention or module, you can use the intervention and module drop-down fields. Select the module that has the camera image item. The module is shown as a yellow bar, and the items are organized just underneath the module. To see the image response of the participant, click Show Image. You can also see the length of time it took each participant to answer. To do this, check the Show Timings box, and a yellow box on the right of the item showing the time will appear. If you want to view this data in a spreadsheet, you may download the data by first clicking the Download button at the top of the screen and then clicking the Download blue button next to the intervention or module. It will automatically download the data as a CSV file on your device. In this video, we showed you how to create a camera image item for your experiment, how the participant can view the camera image item, how the participant can fill in the responses for a camera image item, and how to view and download your data metrics. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.